So most bakers scale, no pun intended, scale with their needs. And there isn't really a strategy around what they need, when they need it. They know that they don't want to go into development debt, which means that somebody's programming or designing or writing code for their particular application. So they just go out onto the web and they see, oh, I've got this application over here that does my batching. Oh, I've got another application that does some EDI shipping, and I've got another one that does scanning. Great. All of that comes together, and as they're working through that, it works great. No problem there. But as they start to grow, they start to see the cracks. They start to see the problems with it because the systems aren't talking to each other. They didn't anticipate this. Bakers aren't programmers. They're bakers. They bake really good product, right? They're not going to be setting up and designing code. So they have an idea of what they want. It's just executing to what they need. The thing about Business Central with YAVEON is that we have now encapsulated many of the opportunities and needs of what particular bakeries need in order to be successful. Business Central has this great foundation of ISV partners. They have created applications. And what I always tell people is that Business Central gets you there about 85 to 90% of the way there. And then the partner community, the ISV community, kind of builds that final mile app. What we've done with YAVEON is we've ensured that all of the bits and pieces and the parts around lot management, around costing and EDI, scanning and different manufacturing batch schedules, all of that's available in one app. So you don't have to, one, piece your application together, go find all of these other vendors to try to bring a nice cohesive application together. But two, you have it all in one step and you don't even know that it's different. When you use Business Central, it's embedded within C, and that's all. So you're using an entire suite of applications just with one install for YAVEON.